TxStampin Sharon. I am super happy to show you a masculine card that is really easy and fast. It's just fast. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, would you please do so below? If you'll hit that little bell after you subscribe, you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. I love teaching you how to use Stampin' Up! Products, giving you all kinds of tips and tricks, and just making your life easier when you're doing your paper crafting. Let's make the card. Today we're going to make a masculine birthday card because I have quite a few guys in my life that I need some cards for. This one I stamped and I loved it, but I was like, I wonder if I could use some copper for my sentiment. So we're going to play with copper today. I am using the Picture Perfect Birthday. You can get this stamp set on my online store. The link is below if you haven't already figured out how to shop with me. This one had some good, fun sentiments in it for birthdays. I kind of wish that it wasn't so scripty on the font, but the sentiment fit perfectly on my square. And I used the layering squares framelits from Stampin' Up! I like the fact that I can have, where's my piece? I have my very vanilla cut just with the plain square. And then I went and added the black scallop square. So these two layer perfectly, hence the name. So this is what we're going to be using. The other thing I'm going to be using is some of the beautiful wood grain textured papers that Stampin' Up! Sells in their catalog. I love this paper for man cards. I mean, how much better can it get? Does that not look manly or what? So we're going to just try. I'm going to get some Versamark. Are you wondering why that's colored? I'll tell you why. I love playing with Brusho, and I learned that if I have my lid open and I spritz water on my Brusho, I get a multicolored Versamark pad. Doesn't hurt the pad, just kind of gives it some more personality. All right, so we have our stamp. Little copper embossing powder. I'm going to hold that with the bone folder because that is going to get hot and I want to heat it up really well. There we go. I'm going to set that aside and let it cool for just a minute. I have my pieces already prepared. Here is my wood grain paper that I cut 4 inches by 5 1/4. Oops. And I'm layering it on basic black that is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. And since I can't write on that, I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of vanilla that is also 4 by 5 1/4. Now I have plenty of space to write my sentiment. We're going to add our very vanilla layer to our scalloped black. And then we're going to pop it up with some dimensionals. Super fast masculine card. And if you picked any of the other papers that come in this designer series pack, your cards would look different. Okay, what do you think? Copper or black? The black is stamped on some of the scraps from the designer series paper pack, whereas I went with just the very vanilla on this one. I don't know, I like them both. Now I have 2 masculine cards. I'm good to go. I hope you enjoyed today's quick video, and I hope that it helps inspire you to make those hard-to-make masculine cards. Which way did you like? Stamped in black? Stamped in copper? I've missed my copper. I haven't done it in a while, so I was super happy when I realized, oh, I could use copper. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to spend it with me, and I just want to say happy stamping, y'all.